welcome back to my YouTube channel Ishan Fun and Study. In my last video we have seen how to make this 3D model using paper. Link is given description box. Look at this design. The 8 planets in their increasing order from Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in definite orbits. Number 1, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is nearest to the Sun. It is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. Number 2, Venus. The second planet is Venus. Venus is hottest and brightest of all planets. It is seen morning and evening. It is called morning star or evening star. The third planet is in the solar system, our planet Earth. Nearly 70% Earth's surface covered with water, due to which Earth also blue planet. It is only planet on which life exists. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as a red planet because presence of red soil and rocks. Number 5, Jupiter. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths inside it. Number 6, Saturn. Saturn is second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn yellowish color and Saturn around it beautiful rings made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer gas covered this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. This planet so far from Sun. So cold wind blow very high speed. Let's revisit our planet. This is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.